guys. It's Shannon with the Chamber of Commerce, and we got Mara behind the camera again, and we came out to Temperance Hill, and we're with Sara at Painting with a Twist. And I think you can see this place it's great. It's so nice and neat, but it's creative space at the same time. It's a good combo. And Sara's going to tell us a little bit about what they have going on in this new space and what you got going on, Sara.
Yeah, so we do step-by-step instructions, so don't worry if you're not an artist or you think you can't draw a stick figure, you will walk home with a masterpiece, I promise. We hold classes pretty much anytime for private events, and then we have scheduled classes throughout the week and on weekends. We even do kids parties, kids events, and bachelorette parties. So